Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best all-season tires that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Are you tired of tires that wear out too quickly or struggle in wet conditions? Safety and performance shouldn't be compromised, especially when driving every day. Choosing the right all-season tire can make all the difference in handling, braking, and ride comfort. Introducing the Continental ContiProContact all-season radial tire, designed for dependable all-year performance and smooth driving on your 17-inch wheels. Size: 225/45 or 17 with a load index of 91 and speed rating H. Tread depth: 10/32 S, providing long-lasting durability. Non-directional tread for consistent traction in wet and dry conditions. Supports up to 1,356 pounds per tire, perfect for sedans and small SUVs. Engineered to reduce road noise and improve ride comfort. Pros: excellent all-season traction. Comfortable and quiet ride. Durable tread life. Cons: slightly higher price than some budget brands. May not be ideal for extreme winter conditions. Perfect for drivers seeking a reliable, quiet, and durable all-season tire for daily commuting, family cars, or light SUVs. Ideal if you want a balance of performance, safety, and comfort. Priced at $194.05 per tire, it's a solid investment for long-lasting performance and peace of mind on the road. Number 4. Meet the Atturo Trailblade MTS Mud Tire, built for aggressive off-road adventures and heavy-duty performance on your 22-inch trucks or SUVs. Size: 285/45 or 22, with load index 114 and speed rating S. Load capacity: 2,601 pounds per tire, handling heavy trucks and SUVs with ease. Tread depth: 13.49 millimeters, giving excellent mud and off-road traction. Symmetrical tread design for balanced grip and predictable handling. For-ply BSW black sidewall for durability and rugged off-road style. Pros: exceptional off-road and mud performance. Strong and durable 4-ply construction. Handles heavy loads confidently. Cons: road noise is higher on highways. Not optimized for smooth highway comfort. Ideal for off-road enthusiasts, truck or SUV owners who need aggressive traction in mud, sand, or rocky terrain, and those who prioritize durability over quiet highway driving. At $204.93 per tire, it offers strong off-road performance and long-lasting toughness, worth the investment for adventurous drivers. Number 3. Introducing the BFGoodrich Advantage T/Sport LT, a reliable all-season tire designed for light trucks, SUVs, and crossovers. Size: 235/55 or 18, load index 100, speed rating V. Supports up to 1,764 pounds per tire for light trucks and SUVs. Tread depth: 10.5/32 NDS for long-lasting performance. Symmetrical tread design ensures even wear and smooth handling. Engineered for confident traction in wet and dry conditions, all year round. Pros: reliable all-season performance. Comfortable and quiet ride. Durable tread for extended mileage. Cons: limited off-road capability. Not optimized for heavy snow or icy conditions. Best for SUV and crossover owners looking for a dependable all-season tire that balances comfort, safety, and long-lasting tread for everyday driving. Priced at $165.09 per tire, it's an affordable choice that delivers excellent all-season performance and durability, making it a solid investment for daily drivers. Number 2. Meet the Accelera M/T01 Mud Tire, built for rugged off-road adventures and heavy-duty performance on light trucks and SUVs. Size: LT265/65 or 17, load index 120, speed rating Q. Load capacity: 3,086 pounds per tire, handles heavy trucks with ease. Tread depth: 19/32 S for exceptional mud and off-road traction. Symmetrical tread design for reliable grip and predictable handling. 10-ply BSW black sidewall construction for maximum durability on rough terrain. Pros: outstanding off-road and mud performance. Extremely durable 10-ply construction. Handles heavy loads confidently. Cons. Road noise can be high on highways. Less comfortable on smooth paved roads. Perfect for off-road enthusiasts, light truck and SUV owners who tackle mud, sand, or rough terrain, and need maximum durability over highway comfort. At $168.39 per tire, it offers strong off-road performance, heavy load support, and long-lasting durability, great value for adventure-ready drivers. Number 1. Introducing the Mickey Thompson Street Comp, a high-performance tire built for sporty handling and precise control on 19-inch wheels. Size, 285/35 or 19, load index 99, speed rating Y. Load capacity, 1,709 pounds per tire, perfect for performance sedans and sporty SUVs. Tread depth, 10/32 S for long-lasting traction. Asymmetrical tread design for enhanced cornering, grip, and high-speed stability. Engineered for responsive handling on both dry and wet roads. Pros. Excellent grip and cornering performance. Precise steering response. Ideal for sporty driving and high speeds. Cons. Not designed for off-road or heavy snow conditions. Higher price point than standard tires. Perfect for performance car owners, sporty sedans, and SUV drivers who want responsive handling and high-speed stability on streets and highways. Priced at $336.79 per tire, it's an investment in performance, durability, and precise handling for drivers who demand the best. Check the link in the description to buy your set today, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tire reviews.